copper, lithium, cobalt, all the businesses needed for the global shift. Yeah, the mining is done in Congo or Chile or Bolivia or Indonesia. That's not done in China. So these newcomers on the market are dominating these future industries. So you see the old-style businesses change, but more importantly, you see new companies coming up and capturing the markets, the green markets.
The new trend. According to the UN data, only 26 of the 193 countries that agreed to enhance climate change action in 2021 have followed up with concrete plans. So, to what do you attribute this great failure?
I think, frankly, it's wrong to put so much emphasis on diplomacy. Because diplomacy is not bringing major results. It tends to be a bubble where diplomats